Meaning of Identikit.
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 Identikit. Identikit is a composite picture made up of various facial features, used to help identify suspects in criminal investigations. It is created by selecting different features from a collection of pre-drawn options and assembling them into an approximation of the suspect's face. Identikit results are limited by the quality of the witness's descriptions, the accuracy of the artist's interpretation, and the available feature options. While identikits can help narrow down a list of suspects, they are not always reliable and can sometimes lead investigators down false paths, making eyewitness testimony and other forms of evidence necessary for a successful investigation.